In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record your game video or gameplay video using Restream. First of all, go to your Restream and make sure to sign into your account. Now, open the game on your PC. Now go back to your Restream and from homepage, click on Create New Stream. Select Restream Studio. Once you are in Restream Studio, just click on this share screen icon, select window, and from here you have to select your gameplay window and click on share and go back to your Restream. And as you can see, I've successfully added my gameplay on my Restream. And from this layout, you can just go ahead and change your Restream layout just like this. If you want to share your gameplay with your webcam, then you can select this option. So in my case, I'm just selecting spotlight because I want to record full screen gameplay, and then click on this arrow icon next to go live, and here you have to select record only. And note one thing, that to record your gameplay using Restream, you have to upgrade your Restream account because this record feature is only available for paid user. So just select record only, and then all you have to need, click on start recording, and after that your gameplay will be recorded using Restream. Now let's see how to find all of your Restream recording files. So from home page here, go to video storage, here select recordings, and here you'll find all of your recording file.